Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the idea called mixed fractions and applications. Alright, so we're going to talk about what's a mixed fraction and how do we solve a mixed fractions equations, alright, or fractions. So first of all, we know that a fraction contains two parts, a and b, and always we have to know a should be smaller than b. So 3 over 13, this is correct. But if we have a term 13 over 3, it's wrong. Okay, so it is wrong unless we change this thing to a mixed number. How do we do that? Simply 13 should be divided by 3, and we know that 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 12 minus 13 minus 12 is equal to 0, 1. So the denominator, the remainder is 1. How do we change this all things to the a mixed number? Is very simple. So what we do is we take the remainder, we write the remainder, make a line, and then put the 3, all right, and then put the 4 here. Okay, how do we know that this whole thing is same as this? It's very simple. We know that we should take this 3 times it by 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and then plus it by this value. It's equal to 13 over 3. So we have the correct answer, or we have the correct mixed number. All right, okay, this is the way we find the mixed number. And how do we see it's correct? So if you want me to map it for you, always the number at top will come here, the number at remainder will come at here, and the number that have been divided by the numerator will be coming here. So that's how easy it can be solved. All right, the next step that we have to do is we have to solve this kind of question. So how do we solve this? Always whenever you have a mixed number, what you have to do is you have to change it to normal fractions. Okay, how do we do that? I already explained that. This 4 multiplied by 7, and then the answer of this, the multiplication of these two must be added to this value here. So let's try. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 28 and 3 is equal to 31. Yeah, so we're gonna say 31 over 4. Okay, so 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 28 plus 3 is equal to 31. Okay, so this is the first one. I got removed that one, sorry. Okay, now we're gonna move to the next one. So we know that this is 2, right? 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Let me draw for you. And then plus by 1 is equal to 3. So we're gonna say, okay, when we have a minus here, don't forget to put the minus. Yeah, so it's minus, so we will have 3 over 2. Next one, what is this? Plus. Just bring down the plus. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31 again, so we will have 31 over 8. Okay, now we are almost done with the making the mixed number to a normal number. What we have to do is, next step, we just simply make the addition. So what we do is we say we have 3 different denominator, so we need to find a common one. I prefer to go with 8. We usually choose the big one. So we know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 31 times 2 is equal to 62. What's the sign here? Minus. Put minus. 2 times by what is 8? 2 times 4. Therefore, times by 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And then what's the sign here? Plus. So we're gonna say plus. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. 31 times 1 is equal to 31. Therefore, we can say actually we should say 62. 62 minus 12 is equal to this, plus 31 is equal to 81 over 8. So the final answer is 81 over 8. As we say, we cannot have this number at top big and this one small. So what we have to do is we have to say 81 divided by 8. So we know that 10 times 8 is equal to 80. Yeah, so we will have 0, 1. Therefore the final answer is equal to 1 over 8 times by 10. So if you want to check the answer is correct or not, simply 8 times 10 is equal to 80 plus 1, 81. So therefore the final answer is 10, 1 over 8.